Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Skye Fabric Swivel Chair. Features. The elegant Skye chair is the perfect choice for the reception, welcome and breakout areas. With its square back design and gull wing armrests, the Skye is a stylish and versatile chair. The seat pad is contoured for comfort and features a waterfall seat front to help ease pressure on the legs and help improve circulation. Thanks to its adjustability, the Skye chair is also ideal to be positioned around a meeting table. The single lever adjusts the seat height and the locking tilt mechanism on the chair. By lifting the lever up, the user can adjust the height of the chair, and by pushing the lever in, the chair can be locked in the upright position. Pull it out again and the chair will float freely. The weight tension controller adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free-floating. For a more ergonomic experience, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The Skye comes with an elegant 5-star chrome base and is supplied with twin wheel casters and chrome hooded glides. The chair is fully upholstered in a range of fabric colours for a professional finish. The Skye Fabric Swivel Chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Fabric and foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 Levels 0, 1 and 5. The Skye Fabric Swivel Chair comes complete with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.